This is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 13th through the 19th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner, and for this week I'm also using a kit from B&R Paper Crafts. As is super clear, I have used this kit before, but it's a deluxe kit, so I have a ton of stuff still left over. This is the Lion King kit, so definitely themed after the movie for sure, but using more photos and things like that. So I have 5 full boxes here. 2 more full boxes and icons here, glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes, functionals and little things, some more functional stuff and date dots, and then 2 more full boxes and some glitter headers. So a good amount of stuff for sure. So my plan is to use the glitter headers and these headers and put in the weekend banner, put in the date dots, and then because I need some things to fill this out the rest of the way, I did also pull out this really old washi from Michaels, this really old washi, I want to say maybe from Dollar Tree or Daiso, honestly not sure where this one came from, and then this one I have from Jet Pens. So I'm going to try to use these. These 2 will be the bottom washi, and then this one is for the last set of headers. My plan is to send the colorful ones through the top, and then I think I'm going to do the glittery ones in the middle, and then this one at the bottom. So I think that's my plan, and then I do have date dots. However, I need something to mark the days, so I did pull this really skinny Pilot brush pen in brown, so I'm going to use that as well. So I'm going to do all of that stuff, and then I will be back so we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we are at so far, and I think it's looking pretty cute. First up, or next up, I guess, more accurately, is the full boxes. So we have 2, 4, 9 total. So ones that I feel like kind of go together, I think these 2 go together for sure. I feel like these 2 go together. And then I feel like these 2 go together for the color. And then maybe I would put these 2 together and then leave this one as kind of the oddball out the most. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to use this one as my quote box, which I'm going to put up relatively high as I've been doing. So I have a little more sidebar space. Then I'm going to use this one on Thursday, which means this page is done. So put this one here. There we go. And then I think I want maybe some, and put these guys next. These 2 don't super obviously go together, but I still feel like it's close enough. I'm gonna stick them in, and then I think I'm gonna put these lions next. So this one goes here. And then lastly, I'm gonna stick in these 2. Which means I will also finish this page. So that's another one done, which is exciting. Here we go. Okay, looking pretty cute. Moving on to the sidebar. I have these guys. I have this page. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, first off, I'm gonna stick a header to kind of divide things up a little bit. And then I'm gonna stick in a habit tracker. I'm gonna use this to track socials as I usually do. There we go. So pulling out somewhere I have Instagram icons. This one. This green doesn't exactly match, but I'm just gonna use it because why not? I think it still goes. So I'm gonna use that. I was trying to decide if I wanted to pull in a second habit tracker from Sarah Elizabeth Prince that doesn't match. I think I'm gonna skip that. So then I'm gonna put in, I think, a little divider. There we go. And then I want to put in a meal tracker. I had these two. These are both from Lovely Planner Blog. I think I want to use this one in this goldish color because it just feels like this is a harder color for me to use. I don't know if that's true or not. Let me pull this page over. That's going to hold scrippy scraps I don't need. So cut off the totals at the bottom and then cut off the thing that says weekly expenses at the top. There we go. And then that leaves me with just this part that I'm going to stick in there. Okay. Then I think I'll use this brown one next, trying to keep it square. Okay, close enough. I do have space for like a checklist or something. My plan is to fit the last full box down here. So let me see. I have like a 3-box checklist kind of length left, maybe. So I think I'm going to stick in just a little checklist. There we go. And then I'm going to stick in another header. And then a full box. And then I have this last header left. There. It leaves just a tiny space at the bottom, but I think I'm just going to leave it and not worry about that. I think that looks fine. I don't want to try to move everything down, which would be the most logical answer, I think. That feels really risky to try to do. I'm trying to decide if I want to second guess myself and move everything down after all. This is the thing that concerns me the most because it's not going to pick up very neat. I think I'm just going to leave it and we're going to call it good. Moving on to the weekdays. First off, I'm going to take the little trash icon and I'm just going to stick it up here to remind myself that I need to take out the trash on Monday morning. And then I need some sort of work situation. I have 5 non-glittery label size left. I think that's what I'm going to use. Work seems like it always takes up a lot of time lately. So it seems best to use a wider label that takes up some more space. We'll put this one next. There we go. Leave the other 2 for the other side. I do need some work icons then. Let's see. These might work. These could work. I could use these brights. Maybe that's what I'll do. All right, so these are from Creative Cavern Studio. They're little bright laptops. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm trying to sort out which colors to use. There's that one. And then maybe a brown. There we go. And then I need 2 more. I think this green one definitely goes. Do I want to pull in this other green? Sure, why not? We'll pull in the brighter green as well. Okay, so there is that done. Also on Monday, I plan to put up my plan with me. I don't know why I said that like a question, and it's not a question. I do plan to put up my plan with me. I think we'll go with little things for that. So let me put that up. And then the little plan with me guy. I think that'll work for my plan with me. Otherwise on Monday, I don't think I currently have anything planned. Same thing with Tuesday and Wednesday. Currently nothing is scheduled. Well, Monday I do have movie night with friends. We almost always reschedule. If we don't, I will use the little movie guy for that. So I'm not gonna put it in because there's like a 70% chance that we'll reschedule just because we get really caught up in other things in our lives. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick in these last 2 labels for work over here. And then I'm gonna stick in my little laptops. There we go. So that covers that. Thursday, again, nothing planned. And then Friday, I do have a video going up. This is going to be for my August Aura Estelle. By the time you see this video, that one will be up. Kind of crazy, we're already to the August Aura Estelle, but it is where we are at. I think I want to use this guy. I know it's red on red, but I think it's worth it. There we go. And then over the weekend, right now, I'm not sure what's happening. Hopefully get to spend some time outside if the weather is decent. Maybe some eating out, probably doing the groceries, things like that. So I think we're gonna leave the pre-planning here. It's pretty bare bones, but I think this is what we've got sorted out. I do still have icons, glittery boxes, functional stuff, non-glittery boxes, and some more functionals here left. So definitely plenty still available to use during the week. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I think it turned out really cute, fun, colorful, definitely very summery. So if I don't mention it, it obviously came from the kit from B&R Paper Crafts, which I did use up quite a bit. So this is my second time using the kit, the deluxe kit. You saw I finished 2 pages during the setup process, and then I have very little left here. A few date dots and functionals, icons, boxes, and a few more functionals here, but really used up the kit quite well. There's barely anything left for sure. In terms of other things that I pulled in, the little Piper Paper Company, Jessica Aaron Designs Instagram icon, this little checklist from Lovely Planner blog, all my laptop icons from Creative Cavern Studio, this washi strip kind, which I think was from Amazon, maybe Dollar Tree, not sure honestly. This is another Creative Cavern Studio. The bottom washi, the top one came from Michael's several years ago, and then the bottom one came from Jet Pens. And then looking over here, this is another Creative Cavern Studio. And otherwise, I really just pulled in kit things. The days of the week are written with a Pilot pen as well, but really used a lot of kit stuff. The week definitely had its ups and downs. The All-Star game happened, which was really fun. The AL won, which was great. Watched the World Cup finals where Spain won. So lots of sports there. The wildfire smoke coming from Canada here into Western New York was very bad on Wednesday, Thursday, and part of Friday. Definitely not great there. Wednesday, the sky was red, so that was a fun experience, I guess. But it started to get clearer during the weekend, and Sunday was relatively clear and actually decent weather. So we got to go out and about a little bit, which was great. Otherwise, the week was just a lot of work and then trying to catch up and relax a little on the weekend. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you're not feeling chatty, leave me a lion emoji to let me know you were here. Say hi. I'd love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.